Hey, hi, howdy, good morning, good evening, or good night, however you perceive time. Welcome to another video. Today, I have my whole setup here, which is mostly everything that I would need to film and to skateboard without any problems. So, today, I have a few things that I need to get done for the board. That includes replacing these wheels here with the off-road wheels, because I had them on before, but now I'm going to switch it since I have the other board, as you can see. So there's a little gear in there when I ride the board, because it makes a noise and it annoys me, but it really doesn't affect the board in any way. It won't hurt me. So if you can't see in the corner right over here, I actually have one of my GoPro batteries charging with the electric skateboard, which I thought I'd show off in a video because I think it's pretty neat. And I can do that on both of my boards. So I'm going to get started with changing these, and I'm going to give y'all updates on what I'm going to do for each of the boards. So let's get started on my projects. With this project, we have a whole inventory of things, all of which are probably not important in this project specifically, but they are things that I would need in the future when I am recording. Then I have a whole basket of things like a selfie stick and a buoy for if I'm on the water, and then this is for different tools that are in my bag. I got these two belts which I need to replace the wheels with, and I also have parts to take it off and replace the wheels. We are going to get started with replacing the wheels, and I will do that in a time lapse. So I think our problem is that this belt is a little bit too tight, so I'm going to go back and fix that real quick. So now basically with an issue that I just said in the last video, something that we need to do to fix this is we simply need an Allen key set. So we just moved it the tiniest little bit forward. Now we have it at probably an adequate length. But I'm going to test that again once we put it all back together. What we need to do this way. And that Subaru sounds terrible. Just smack it on there. Make sure it's even. Basically all we're doing now is getting the belt onto the gear. Now we got that on. A little bit looser now. Let's hope this is good. So now that we got the off-road wheels on, we got part of our mission done. Now we're going to work on this because there's a bolt in the gear right here that I need to fix. Got the wheel on. Now we're gonna test out how smooth it is. So now we're gonna see.